We need to do drunk pattern sewing. We need to do it. You drink, you read the directions, and then I sew. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host, Joan. Today we're going to make this, a tiny little baby bonnet from a hanky. So when the person gets married, they can have the hanky in the wedding, and then they can use it as a christening bonnet. It's so cute. And with me today is Jessica.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a costume designer, a teacher, and I've been sewing since I was little.
She's going to show us how to do this. First things first, get your hanky ready. If you need to get your hanky ready, I have a video somewhere up here. It will pop up. Go check out the video. We need a hanky before we can start the next part, which is the fun part, picking the lace.
We're going to clip off this section of the lace here, and we can use it somewhere else later.
We cut off our pieces. Now, well, nothing. She cut them out. Now we're going to lay them out nicely onto our bonnet. Hanky first, then bonnet. We have our lace all set up. Jessica's pinning right now, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna pin it just enough to keep it together to get to the sewing machine, and then she's gonna do, what are you gonna do, zigzag? You're just gonna stitch it straight.
We're gonna do a straight stitch.
It's all pinned up. It's now a weapon. Now we can go sew.
We are going to mark the center of the back of the bonnet. So that would probably be about 5 inches if you started with a 10-inch piece. And then we're also going to mark 2 inches down on each side.
We have a couple pieces of ribbon cut at 12 inches, and we're going to place those in some strategic areas.
The ribbons are 2 inches down from the back of the bonnet.
Now we have 2 ribbons that are 8 inches for the ties underneath the head.
And the corners are at a bit of an angle because this is going to be where it ties under the baby's chin, and they are stitched on the inside.
Now that we have our ribbons all sewn, we can go through the origami process of putting this from a hanky to a baby bonnet.
We're going to take both of the ribbons, so there's 4 in total. We are going to fold in half and tie a bow. Okay. Now we're going to flip the bonnet and what you want is for the bottom bow to match up with your center point back here. And then you have a bonnet.
Nice, cute. Look at how cute this bonnet turned out. We've got our bow in the back, and then we've got these 2 front ties that we can then tie under the baby's chin. So cute. Now, while it's in the wedding, it is going to be a hanky, so she's going to show us how to do that. It's an easier one, so we saved it for last.
To start your hanky, you're going to take the ribbons on the top of the bonnet and tie these into bows. Then you're going to fold your hanky in half and take the other 2 ribbons that were for the chin strap and tie them to each other. This will help hold the shape. And then 1 more fold. You will have a hanky to carry with you on your wedding day.
Jessica is our sewing genius. If you have any questions for her, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see if we can get her back for another how to with Jessica. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. Now that's all set up, we're gonna go sew it on the machine as she runs away.